Hi, hello. So in this video we are going to see how to display really custom data inside our view component. So the example will be a list of available icons, and so as you can see we don't have any input parameters in this one, but it's still a custom view component, and what it does is, as you can see here, it's displaying actually all the icons you can use for your custom view components. And when you type something, it will just do a sort. So this one actually I coded for my own purposes to see what icons were available live. So this is like more like a bonus. So in the example sample library we have a view component BMC CSS icons. So if you haven't seen the previous video where I explain how the view components are working, I really encourage you to look at this video. So once again, this view component is declared here using your developer ID, name application, and the name of your view component. Then we declare it inside the bxmodule.js and inside the xmodule.js, same way. So once you declare your module, your view component, this time in config, you see that the difference is we don't have any input parameters. And here you can see an icon because your view component in the view designer can have its own icon because we don't want something to be boring and having the same icon. So what icon can you choose? Well, for example, here you can see that I'm selected parallelogram CSS. So if I tap CSS, here is my parallelogram CSS, so I could display this icon, as you can see here. So how do I do that? So once again, I got my design directive. So the design directive, JS and HTML, it was displayed during design time in View Designer. So pretty simple yet, once again. And inside the runtime, so the directive in itself, I'm just getting a table and a search, quick search. So an input field and my table. So in the directive, it's just I'm going through all the styles from the document and I'm getting the icon left. I'm passing all the CSS, I'm getting a list and I'm pushing a list. So this is more like standard AngularJS workflow, but I just wanted to show you that it's possible to do something totally unrelated to record definition objects or innovation suite object. You can do whatever you want inside your custom view components. So here, for example, I can just go through all the CSS from the system and I'm just displaying them. So you can do, for example, a breakout, or you can do like Pac-Man if you want inside your view component, or a chat or something. It doesn't have to be related to objects from Innovation Suite.